Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a Corel file, and that's the way to do it, and told me what they wanted. They sent me this file. This is like diamond plate, but they wanted more places in the same, like this. So for the one I'm doing it for, I changed your dimensions to make it easier for me for the video, but you could still do it with your dimensions. So these are both 11 by 17. So 11 by 17, a quarter of it, half of this and half of this is 5.5 by 8.5. So all I did is just, and to make it even better, I had put this in a P, but then I took this one and made it 5.5 with my ratio unlocked is pretty much the key by 8.5. And then I hit P and you see it fits in that shape. We don't actually need that rectangle. Now I'm going to set my nudge factor set already for 8.5. So I'm going to grab it. I'm going to hit the plus key and nudge it down. Then I'm going to change it to 5.5. And I'm going to grab these, hit the plus key and nudge it over, and then I can basically go and group this together. And I don't think you'll be, well, there is a seam. Let's try doing this. Let's take it back, ungroup it, and let's try welding it, see if anything happens. It's going to take a little bit because it's trying to weld every one of these pieces. And there is I wish I almost wouldn't have done that and just said to try it, because you could actually nudge them. The line is from the hairline, but let's see if this worked. And it worked. You can't see the line anymore. If that didn't work, you could minutely nudge it over, the one side over and back. You know, just kind of get rid of that line because you won't be able to notice it. So, well, I guess I got rid of the original, so we can't really see, but I got double this is a pretty good drawing of diamond plate as a stamped metal or aluminum to make it like skid resistant. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.